Kuringana na ndumiriri irerekereirio kuri nyumba cia mohoro ni ruhonge rwa mbiraru kurutu 3,000 ni citanyitwo kuoyo na magukorwo makiingira honge-ini itiganite.
As we speak, all the recruiting teams are present at various recruiting centers as has been advertised through the local print and electronic media outlets in the country. As with the previous recruitment exercises, the candidates must be ready to take part in physical and medical tests.
Moigete ati Mihang'o ino igutafanio kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe kaunti-ini ciothe 47 kuona matingihota gutabania na thiku imwe toria ruhonge rwa borithi rurekire kumana na itumi itiganite.
Tukienda sisi tuna recruit watu ya army, watu ya air force, watu ya navy, constabulary, which has got ambayo iko na vitu tofauti. Air Force wanaangalia watafanya written exams, wanafanya other aptitude tests. Army wanaangalia mambo yao. Kwa hivyo yetu inakuwa thara.
Matiterithitie ati oni makoretwo magikirira hari gutigirira hari na waraganu gatagati kairetu na anake noguo gutire na mwena kuhinyiririo hindi ya woyani ucio.
As far as gender is concerned, I want to say that I think we are the first ministry to be able to launch a gender policy which enumerates what the gender are entitled to. So in this recruitment also, that gender policy will be in place.
Na niguo gwithemana na ikuiria kaingi cionekaga hindi ya woyani uyu ruhonge ruu ni ruritie aria mangikorwo na gathina mamenyithie maabitha aria maroyana mbere ya maingirite kiharo.
That anybody who knows his or her condition, that maybe could be having any chronic illnesses, that is the time when she or she should actually come forward and not subject he himself or herself to that vigorous exercise.
Mwaka-ini muhituku mashira matandatu mandu kugeria kuhakana no mo mandikithirio na Kenya makorio gwithemana na undu uyu kuona urio kunyitikana ni agutacukirio makinya ma kiwatho. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.